EMG question of the day. How would you label this activity? A. Wning. B. Wning and waxing. C. Bursting. D. Abrupt changing activity. EMG terminology is peculiar, but not more so than any terminology in other areas. Based on the behavior of group spontaneous EMG activity, we can categorize them in 4 groups. The first one we will mention is labeled bursting. This term is used when the potentials arise abruptly to reach maximal amplitude from a relatively low and stable ongoing background activity, as you can see in this frame. This is typical of myochemic discharges. The second group is wning potentials. Wning in frequency and amplitude was previously discussed in a prior question of the day. Here we are limiting our discussion to amplitude. In this frame you can see decreasing amplitude as indicated by the yellow arrow. Here the wning activity occurs in a linear fashion. This pattern is characteristic of neuromyotonia. The third group is waxing and waning. Waxing and waning are used in conjunction, referring to linear or exponential progressive rise and drop in amplitude, as you can see in this panel. Here you see exponential waxing and here exponential waning. This is typical for myotonic dystrophy. The fourth group corresponds to activity with abrupt changes. This term is used in the presence of the findings reflected in this frame. In it, you can see an abrupt change in amplitude and shape of the basic waveforms in the ongoing rhythm, here, here, and here. This is typical for complex repetitive discharges. So the answer to this question is C. Thank you very much for your attention.